Okay, everyone, let's dive into something important. I have two lab reports here that reveal some serious concerns about the AquaCure machine, a device originally designed as a welding tool, but now marketed for producing therapeutic Brown's gas, which is essentially a mix of hydrogen and oxygen for inhalation and hydrogen-infused water for drinking. For simplicity, I'll refer to it as the AquaCure, but keep in mind it's the exact same device sold in Europe under the name Osmio Infinity. These reports show that the machine is leaving behind trace heavy metals, ionized metal particulates, and even lye. That's sodium hydroxide. People are inhaling and drinking this stuff, thinking it's pure and beneficial, but the data suggests otherwise. With true molecular hydrogen therapy, all these contaminant numbers should show zero. There shouldn't be any toxins or impurities at all. To understand why this matters, let's break it down. The AquaCure uses electrolysis with a lye-based electrolyte to split water into Brown's gas. The gas then bubbles through a series of water containers. The first stage acts as a scrubber to supposedly purify the gas by trapping impurities, and the second stage produces the hydrogen-enriched water that's meant for consumption or inhalation via a nasal cannula. Both stages were tested in this lab analysis. The results are startling, proving that ionized gases have contaminants that are being directly inhaled, harming your lungs. Starting with stage 1, the initial scrubber water where the raw Brown's gas first passes through. In this report, we're seeing elevated levels of several concerning toxins. We won't focus too much on stage 1, but it's important to keep in mind that this is what the machine initially produces. It produces high levels of contaminants such as aluminum, chromium, and sodium hydroxide, otherwise known as lye. I now understand why the gas is funneled through two separate water containers, because if there wasn't a first bottle to decrease the contaminant levels, it would be really, really bad for someone's health. For example, the first lab report, stage 1, shows sodium hydroxide at a whopping 155.3 milligrams per liter. My research shows inhaling mist from this could irritate lungs, cause coughing, or even lead to severe respiratory issues over time. Hexavalent chromium is really high as well at 13.8 micrograms per liter. Chromium is a known cancer-causing carcinogen. It's not safe for humans to digest or inhale. This by itself shows this machine should be avoided. I mean, who wants to give themselves cancer? Then the first stage shows other heavy metals present like aluminum, iron, and zinc, all heavy metals that can accumulate in the body over time causing health issues. Anyways, I think it's pretty sneaky that they have to use two bottles, one acting as a scrubber to decrease the contaminant level, because in reality this machine is just producing toxic waste that people are inhaling and drinking. So moving on to stage 2, the Brown's gas people end up drinking and inhaling using a cannula. Hexavalent chromium is still detected at 0.33 micrograms per liter. Remember, this is a cancer-causing carcinogen. Sodium hydroxide, also known as lye, is at 4.2 milligrams per liter. Lye is a highly corrosive chemical that can cause severe damage to human tissues. This stuff is used in industrial applications and cleaning products, for example. Crazy how someone can get away with selling a machine like this, claiming it is good for your health, when this lab report shows the exact opposite. So even in the supposed cleaner stage, we see you are still getting cancer-causing toxins, and it can affect your health in other ways like lung irritation or digestive issues, for example. In conclusion, the evidence from these lab reports is crystal clear. The AquaCure machine, despite its claims of delivering pure therapeutic hydrogen, is contaminating the output with heavy metals like hexavalent chromium, ionized particulates, and caustic lye, substances that have no place in something meant for inhalation or drinking. True molecular hydrogen therapy should be toxin-free, but this device is introducing risks that could lead to serious health issues, from respiratory irritation and digestive problems to potential long-term dangers like cancer. It's not just ineffective, it could be outright harmful, and I wouldn't be surprised if lawsuits emerge as more people uncover these flaws. If you're using or considering one of these machines, stop and get professional medical advice immediately. Your health is too important to gamble on unproven tech. Thanks for watching and staying informed. If this video resonated with you, please like, share it with friends and family who might be affected, and subscribe for more eye-opening exposés. Stay safe out there.